Well, we are back. Welcome back. Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. I'm sharing my screen. Sound is good. Um, we're trading gold tonight. Let's see if we can get the entry. Right, so I'm looking at, I'm going to put it here on the screen tonight. So just to give you an idea of what I'm looking at, evening. So I'm checking on the 1 hour currently, and I'm waiting for price to break. If you check on the 1 hour here, we have a strong break of structure here on this candle here. Took out this low, and then price came back to that supply area right there. As you see, tap into the 1 hour supply. Now we're seeing on the 15-minute price is rejecting off. You can probably also get, if you want to get in aggressive, that is an aggressive entry right there. But I'll wait for price to at least break below here to get a better entry. My stop loss will probably move a stop loss closer as the what structure. So if structure breaks here, we will move our stop loss closer. But for now, I'm just waiting to see that price break at least 33 or 3316 around here. This below here. So this is now the 15-minute, but like I said, I am checking on the 1 hour. The setup is based off the 1 hour. I do see gold moving to 3284 because on the higher time frame, that structure, you can also see we have this double top, triple top even, which indicates strong bearish momentum. You see this uptrend, and this is a sign of candlestick pattern of reversal. That is sign of reversal. So the trend is busy reversing now to the downside, and we can clearly look at this rejection on this candle also. So it looks it looks strongly bearish at the moment. Hence my bias. I am bearish on this setup. Thank you for saying that the sound is working. So as soon as as soon as price break past 3315, you'll see this low here. It will also be breaking that low. I will enter. Sorry, I'm trying to bring the stuff close by so you can see. Where is this thing now? Good evening for those who only joined me now. So I am looking to sell. I'm just waiting now for a break right at this area here. And mind you, this zone is the zone I drew this afternoon. Or was it this morning? Yeah, it's this morning zone. This zone, yeah. But then I saw what happened during New York. So we were bullies in London session, as you can see. We took buys this morning. I was first stopped out. Yeah, I was stopped out here. But then I re-entered again here, 3323. And we took some profits all the way up here at 3330. And you can see what price did after New York. Price came and break this low. So yeah, it's strongly bearish now. We are planning to enter at 3315, which is now very close. I I even put my stop loss, my entry, and my TP target on the screen so that you can see for yourself. Just a side note, I'm not saying that past results will not past results does not guarantee future profits. Just know that it's just a disclaimer. You take these trades at your own risk, managing your risk properly. As you know, real money is at risk here. So I will be getting in as soon as price break now. I'm getting ready for the sell. Okay, let's go. I'm in. So like I said, my TP1 is around 3306. But I might just move it to 3304. So let me just 3306 it is. TP1. TP2 is at 3297. So right here. I actually do think it will hit TP2 tonight. So I entered as soon as it broke out here. But just be okay, my stop loss I will move around here. 332, just above this candle now. Oops. I'm actually waiting for a solid closing candle here. So let's see. It's still 6:30 now. Sorry for that. I don't know why this screen moved like that. I do see price dropping all the way to 3284. Might not be tonight, but it is strong berries and this reversal pattern, as you can see, started to break this one shoulder now. So yeah, just take this away for now. Right. So I entered at 3315 as soon as price broke that line there or that area.
Yes. How seriously, my guy? What's it got to do with you?
Goeienaand Pieter. Okay, it's starting to move now. Starting to move now. Lieflik, lieflik. As ons net daai 15 minute, we can still enter because I just entered here 3315. Um so ek wil net hê die candle moet close, must close below this low here. Then I will move stop loss to 3319. Sorry man for that. Don't know why this thing keep on doing this. Okay, let's go now. Here we go. It's dropping hard now. Dropping hard. Like I said, for those who only joined me now, I do see a reverse. This candle or this structure price can come all the way down to 3284. Might not be tonight, but at least you can make your money even till here 3296. I can see it moving to 3296 here. That's what I am looking at currently. Strong very so, and that's a great entry point there. As you can see here, this is the break, and then price came back. Basically a retest, and it's rejecting off where it broke out. So if it breaks this low, then it means it's going to continue making lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, because I'm in, yes. Ik het hier bij die lijntje geënterd toe die is 33, zeg maar hier. 3315 hier, so. I entered here. When it broke out there, I entered. Triple one. Yep. Let me just change this to 330. Lower, so TP1 will be here at 3300, yeah. Right at this high. Okay, let's see how far. Oops. Don't know why this thing keep on doing it. Must I must lock my screen. I hope all of you can see my screen though. I don't know. The screen just went. Oh, it's dropping. Beautiful. It's up in profits now. Right, we're up in good profits on this one now. Let's go. Let's see here. Who's here? Welcome, welcome. If you only joined us now, we are in the sell on gold.
Just one simple lie.
So I'm looking now to. So what I'm waiting for is this low. Price must break this low, and you can see it's busy now breaking in. Strong momentum, no? We're watching it. It's 12 seconds on that candle before this candle is gonna close now. Come on, go. Market structure is on our side. I must say I like that 15-minute candle just closed now, and I do like how it closed. Even though it didn't break the low, that low on the 15-minute, but on the higher time frame, you'll see why I think it's because this hourly candle is a strong bearish candle now. And I can see it dropped all the way now to 3295. It might only pull back at 3295. So let's see. We see how far we're gonna hold. So normally when it breaks out like this, it doesn't really come back for pullback. Um, so it will be interesting to see whether there's going to be a pullback again before it continues to drop. But we can see how the battle there at that low here. You can see how price is basically fighting. If you check on this, the smaller time frame, let me just zoom in. All right. It's now 10 minutes to 7, and we know what happens at 7, so I am excited to see. We might get a pullback, but I am anticipating a strong drop. Look at how that 15-minute candle closed, though. So, yeah, let's wait and be patient. We have no news announcements coming out tonight. It was only 2:30 we had some news, but the markets were slightly, normal. It was normal. It's still been normal. I don't see much of disruption in the markets. It follows structure. Oh, there was such a good trade on GBP also this morning. I analyzed it actually. I didn't take the setup, but there was such a nice drop later after London. Because GU was consolidating and it moved like 50 pips when it broke out. Oh, that was it. Even played out before the news came out, so that would have been a very nice trade as well on GU. 50 pips. Hi, 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 my friend. Welcome. You only joined us now. We entered around 3315. A sell. I'm looking at targeting 3,300, 3,300 price level as TP1. Take profit one. And then, yeah, we now just waiting for this 15 minute. You see how this 50, we entered before this 15-minute candle closed. Price currently looks strongly bearish. Hopefully we won't get stopped out here tonight. Thank you for those who's liking the live. It boosts my views also. Or the channel's views, not my views, the channel's views, our channel's views. Okay, let's see. Now that don't panic, it's just a 15-minute candle pullback. I do see it might come back to 3315. Yeah, right here. And then continue down. It's retesting and then it will continue down. So if you didn't enter yet, it might be also a nice place for you to enter. Let me just see here. Yes. And remember, it's almost 7 now. Like I said, I am looking at this area as a target. However, we know when it's already late in the day and this is like 320 pips away. I don't think it will happen tonight. Price might come to this area, 300, 150 pips, and then continue consolidating. And tomorrow you see a breakout, maybe in the Asian season. I've seen how gold moves, and at times it does not give you that type of moves. Remember, it gave us this move. Was that yesterday? So it already moved like 180 pips already. 190 pips, almost 200 pips. So another 200. Let's see. The, in the end, gold in the market can do whatever it wants. We're just trying to speculate based on the structure. But we know the market can do what it is. It can go further or it can just stop before our TP. It all depends on how the market moves. That's why I'm a firm believer in taking partial profits. But not now, it's now too early. We at least, when it's close to your TP, then you take some profit. All right. All right, let's wait it out and be patient now for this candle to close. Right. Now 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As long as it close below this 335. Okay, beautiful. So it's 7 p.m. now, and that hourly candle just closed. I would like to still see for price to break these lows here. I really hope it won't come back, but it looks like it wanna come back here and then come tap again into this supply here. Let's see. I really hope it doesn't do that. All depends now on this 15-minute candle. I'll see how this 15-minute candle behaves. Gosh. Now come on, price. Now if you were to use a trend line, so if you use trend line tool to just check here. Our price broke out here and retest. We know that the structure, but yeah, it's gonna take its own time now. Let's see how far the pullback is going to go. I was really hoping gold doesn't do that tonight. Just give reject off here and then continue. Come on, don't be stubborn tonight. There we go. That's the kind of rejection we are looking for. Come on. Let me just plug in. Hmm. Yeah, right. Looks like price is pulling back now. I would say your stop loss, move it closer above this wick here, this candle, this one. I am thinking that price wants to come back and tap the supply again before it drops. Let's see. It might only come this far, so wait. We know gold is going to drop, it's just a matter of how far will the pullback go. Check that long wick that it's doing there now. It's making a wick. No ways. What are they doing? Oh man. Can't go higher than 3318. The only logical explanation I can see is price wants to come back to this zone here. Come on now, gold man, don't act up tonight. So for me personally, I cut my loss around. Yeah, I won't wait for price to go. Cut your loss, close the setup, and you can always re-enter. Because I do think if it comes now, are we still watching this? If it breaks above 3318, it is definitely coming tap in this area again, and then it might just reverse. So yeah, and it is now. Oops. Let's see where that candle is going to close now. See, it looks like price now. If you check on the 15-minute, price wants to retest these wicks here before it continues. So yeah, sitting in this pullback now. Right, it's retesting those wicks. Let's see how it behaves off. This is just one 15-minute candle, so 4 minutes left. There's a lot. A lot can happen in 5 minutes. We did enter a bit low here. We entered only when price broke out here. Like this 15-minute candle here could also have been a good entry. At least there's still a momentum in the market now. So we notice literally how price, if we pay attention to this, how it's from here, how it's consolidating. And we know, what do we know about a consolidation? Once it breaks out of a consolidation, it has a tendency to just sort in one direction. So my hope is that price would break here. Once it breaks here, then it will sort down in our direction. Because all of this liquidity is all still available for you to grab. Yeah, it's going to require us to be very much patient, but yeah, let's set it out and see where that candle closes. That's you check now here on the 15-minute. Just check how this candle closed, this 15-minute candle, and how it's rejecting off this week. Rejected off the low here, this low right here. If it breaks that week now and really go, then I don't think. Let's see. So I'm still a bit confident in the setup because of this week, and yeah, the direction is still bearish. So Looks like very slow momentum, eh? But yeah, we wait for it. Looks like the momentum is slow. We see movement, but not big moves. Quite so much patience now. Come on, Sinrayan. Nah, gold is playing too much on the setup, really. I don't like how it's pulling back now. I'm going to close. I'm going to get out when it breaks this higher 30318. When it breaks more higher than this, I'm out. This price level right here. I don't like how gold is playing, man. And it's the momentum is also slow. So for me, shooting in this pullback. I need to see a strong 15-minute candle at least giving us a bearish momentum. And this, the way this rejection, this week here rejected off the previous 15-minute candle, there was still a good indication of bearish momentum. However, if this candle that's moving now closes bullish, and we are here at this key area, price might just consolidate due to this big move. So, like I said, we see this reversal pattern here. We know market structure is telling us that price wants market structure shows us it's bearish. However, price might not play out now. So yeah. Honestly, I don't like how this bullish candle. This is a strong bullish candle now. Let's see in the other time frames. Yeah, boy. I don't like it. Unless this bullish candle rejects strongly off these weeks. It can give us a strong rejection of this low here. Then I'll still have some faith in the setup, but yeah. Come on, let it just be a rejection, man. Here we go. Come on. Right, let's go. Let's see if we can get a rejection off. Come on now. And you can see how price is playing currently at this low here. Right here, look at this low weeks here. And price is rejecting over there. It's literally playing off. There we go. Let's go. If we can get a strong rejection on that 15 minute and at least a close price close here at 3315. Let's go now. We know there's a strong push move, like there's a move going to happen. We can see it. It's just a matter of time. Okay, so this candle still have 2 minutes left on before it's going to close. So let's see. Now we notice here previous price action. There's one first break, then price pushed up. Then we see a second break. Alright. Then price pushed up. Now we're seeing this third break. So if it breaks now here again, I do think it should continue. And you can see what this rejection, there was also rejection candle here, but then it retested this so that is strong. The fact that it pulled back and retested this area is actually giving us a strong indication of the moment, in what direction the momentum is now going. All right, so this is literally below less than 1 second, 1 minute, sorry, 1 minute for this candle to close. I'm watching this candle now. Let me just see. Yeah, come on. I look where that 15-minute candle closed now. Ah, come on. I like the way it rejected off. That is still a strong bearish candle actually. That doji with a long wick, with a small body. You can see sellers are still pushing price down. However, it has not even close, did not even come near 3315, which is the breakout area here where we entered. Would have loved to see a candle close around here or below. So annoying. Okay, that candle now touching the wicks, the low here, right here. For the third time, it's rejecting off these wicks. As you can see, it came all the way up, touching these wicks and rejecting off now. So let's see. I hope this wait is worth it. Once we are up now, if price break out now, I hope this wait will really be worth it. Nothing can be as bad as waiting so long for trade setup to play out and then it hit your stop loss. Oh, damn! It felt like you worked for a whole day and you didn't get paid. It's not a nice feeling. And our human nature is we want to be right. We don't like to be wrong. So it's a constant battle. That you have to tell yourself, think like a trader, follow the structure, trust the analysis, and trust your process. The plan is set. We know where we're going to exit. Now it's just waiting for the market to move. Look, I will be honest, if it does not move in 20 minutes time, that is 8 p.m. when the 1 hour candle will close, then might be sitting in this consolidation till market close. Hopefully not. Let's see, hopefully not. Yeah, gold is playing tonight. It's really playing and testing my patience now. Thought when I came back it will actually move. Come on now, man. Nope, I'm about to close now. Before it even hit our stop loss, I'm going to close. Cause yeah, I'm going to close my trades. This it's now 3 minutes before this 15-minute candle close. Let's see now. This 15-minute candle really playing. If price break this week, yeah, I'm out. Then I'll be out. So this candle retested the low here for the third time now. Seriously. And it's now rejecting off. All right. It's literally less than 1 minute now before this candle close. So let's see where that one is going to close. You see, the same is exactly the same candle as this one. The week doji, long week rejecting off. I see a hard drop coming. 3 times touching our low, rejecting off. It's like stop loss is around. Let's go now. Come on now, we're just waiting now to see this Paris candle formed. Is this Paris candle breaking the body of this and these two candles? Now this strong candle here, you can see, broke right through. But this low is my concern. The fact that this low is very strong. So yeah, like I said, once price go above 3319 here, 18. If it goes higher than these weeks, I'm out. Let me just check if there is any news coming tomorrow. So market is moving funny now. There's no news tomorrow, so I don't know why it's so weird. So structure is still busy forming actually. If you entered around here, maybe right at this break here, then you would have been up like 50 pips from there to here. But our TP1 at least I could see price moving all the way to 300. And it's still this, all of this liquidity need to be filled as this market needs to correct itself. And we can see this pattern here, reversal pattern. It's like the market is dying down the momentum, eh? Not much momentum now. It's 10 more minutes before 8, and we know what happens at 8 or when that hourly close. Finally, this movement. Come on. What we are looking at is currently just consolidation. Consolidation. There's no breakout yet. I'm really annoyed by this movement. It's been an hour and a half now. I was hoping by 8 this candle would at least be at 3315. 5 minutes left, then this candle will close on the 15 minute. And then I also want to check where that 1 hour is going to close, because what we might get is just a candle closing top here, and then I will definitely be out. I won't still pay attention to that. But I do see sales tomorrow, even if it doesn't play out tonight. I do see the market selling tomorrow off. Straks on the higher time frame is strong berries. Here we go. Let's go now, man. Come on. Okay, looks like that was our last rejection of that low, so this could be the candle that we were waiting for. Let's go now. Literally 5 minutes left on this candle. And then that is before 8 o'clock, so let's see, maybe 8 o'clock. We were waiting, the market is waiting for 8. Okay, let me just get comfortable here. Looks like it's gonna be a long night tonight. Oh, he's not. You know that candle is playing with us. It's literally playing and testing, testing. I'm on cold now, man. Like literally 30 seconds on this candle left. Literally. Come on now. So I'm gonna give gold like it's 1 minute, then it's 8 o'clock, then 15 minutes left on the live. I will not. This is where I will exit. I'm gonna exit as soon as price um is above this 3318.5 here. This line right here. That's where I will exit. If no man. Why? Doing this type of because as you can see it's just now consolidating here and we can see price is rejecting off 1 2 3 4 times it retested these wicks this low here and it's rejecting off but it's not giving us that strong bearish candle. So yeah, we know structure is bearish, but by when will this play out? I don't know. It might be tomorrow. I will definitely look for sales tomorrow as well. I do see price coming back all the way down here. Let me just get my mouse because this thing is messing with me. Oh, right. You see, we've been waiting, we've been sitting in the setup. Look how it's consolidating there. It's just crazy. No momentum, really. Might make it's. I do think it's getting ready for a big move. So yeah, I'm out. I am out. I'm also gonna end the live soon. Um, this is definitely it wasn't a good trade. It just didn't play out, and that's it. And I will be so angry if price went up again, retest our supply zone right there, tap into it, reject, and then come down. But yeah, that is gold for you sometimes. Like when was that? Was it Wednesday? Tuesday? Tuesday? Today's Thursday. We got stopped out on such a nice trade in London. Where is it set up now? I'm telling you, this was the setup. I literally entered right here. My stop loss was just above these wicks here. I entered here and look how it stopped us out and then it dropped. But lucky for me, I entered again. We re-entered on this right here again. And I think I took my profits around there by 33818. Yeah. And this trade went all the way down. So yeah. I do think price wants to drop more according to higher time frame structure, as you can see there. However, it's playing, and I am 1 hour and 40 minutes in the live. Thank you guys for those who tuned in tonight. Thank you. Oh, I didn't even respond so much to the chats tonight. Um, there was no real excitement tonight. We'll see each other next week. I will be back. The market was just a bit slow tonight, not real. No, nothing, no breakout, nothing. All right. Thank you for those who are watching and staying tuned for the next lives. Don't forget to like the lives also and subscribe to the channel, to our channel, so we can all make those money on gold together. And I'm just checking, yeah. Now look here. See, this is a strong break. Retest came back, coming back again. Look where that thing broke. I was, yeah. It might be playing out tomorrow. I don't know. If you're a swing trader, you can probably just put your stop loss in. But I am not a swing trader. I cannot keep trades overnight. I would rather come back tomorrow morning and check out price looks. But yeah. Ciao. See you. Have a good evening wherever you are. Stay safe and be blessed. See you. Bye.